we'll guide you through how to rotate text in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to make their designs more dynamic and visually interesting using Canva. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure your device is ready to run smoothly without interruptions. Next, type Canva in your Windows menu search bar and open Canva by selecting the application from the results. Once Canva is open, go to the top left area and select the Create option to begin a new project. After that, choose the time size you desire based on your needs. In this tutorial, we will use a presentation as an example so the process is easy to follow. Then, select a presentation layout to give you a wider canvas for better text arrangement. Next, go to the left panel and select the text option to start adding text elements. After that, click on Add a Text box to insert a new text area into your design. Now, type the text you want into the text box. For this example, type How to rotate text on Canva so you can clearly see the changes later. After typing, adjust the text size, font, and position to make it look clean and readable. Make sure the text is placed properly before moving to the next step. Next, go to the top toolbar where additional editing tools are available. From there, select the Position option to open more settings. Inside the Position menu, look for the Rotate feature. Once you find it, adjust the rotation as needed to change the angle of your text. In this example, type 90 degrees to rotate the text vertically so it stands out clearly. After applying the rotation, review your design and check if the text placement looks balanced with other elements. Make small adjustments if necessary to improve the overall layout and readability. In conclusion, by following these steps carefully, you can easily rotate text and enhance your design. This simple technique helps make your content more creative, attractive, and visually engaging for any purpose.